And I can tell you that regarding the incidents that took place on March 29th and March 30th, which tragically took the lives of 3 of our brave peacekeepers from Indonesia, and as a reminder, they were Major Zulmi Aditya Iskandar, First Sergeant Mohammed Nur Ikhwan, and Corporal Farizal Ramadan. I can share with you the preliminary findings of Unifil at this stage. We have shared those findings with the governments of Indonesia, Israel, and Lebanon. Regarding the first incident on March 29th, based on the available evidence, including analysis of the impact site and notably the fragments of the projectile discovered in UN position known as 7-1, the projectile was a 122-millimeter tank main armament round fired by an Israeli Defense Force Merkava tank from the east in the direction of Taiba. It's recalled that to mitigate the risk to UN personnel, Unifil had again provided the Israel Defense Forces with the coordinates of all of our positions and all of our facilities, and that had been done both on March 6th and March 22nd. With reference of the incident on March 30th, based on the available evidence, including the analysis of the site of the explosion, the impacted vehicle, and a second improvised explosive device that was discovered in the same nearby on the same day. That explosion we can say was caused by victim advocated, which is a tripwire IED. The investigation has assessed that given the location of the incident and the nature of the explosion and the current context, the IED was most likely placed by Hezbollah. Allow me to reiterate that these are preliminary findings based on initial physical evidence. The full investigation processes of the UN continues, including required procedures and engagement with the parties concerned to understand the full extent and circumstances amidst the ongoing hostilities. Boards of inquiry will be convened